Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. I want to talk a little bit about loss. You guys know I journal every week. I took my one of my biggest losses last week was 78% on a 378 call. Okay. Before we get into that trade and dealing with that level of loss, I want to touch base on one of the pioneering hip hop tracks that kind of addresses what's going on, and that song is called "You're Blind" by Run DMC off their second or sophomore album, King of Rock joint. And in the song "You're Blind," first of all, there's a part on there where DMC says, you'd even sell your soul to make your life correct, but with the rate of inflation, you should eat your check. This came out in like 1985, if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around there. And as a young snot nose listening to that, I had no idea. You know what I'm saying? And to be where we are now and hear him drop that line, that's just Shakespeare. You know what I'm saying? That's brilliant. You know what I'm saying? You would even sell your soul to make your life correct, but with the rate of inflation, you should eat your check. Don't even bother cashing it and trying to get food. Inflation too high, prices too high. You know what I'm saying? Just eat the check. Even though we don't do checks no more, it's more, everybody pretty much do direct deposit. Anyway, let's get into loss. And what I want to share with y'all is, first of all, this loss that I took, it's part of doing business. One of my overnight trades, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much always have my account hedged. So I always pretty much have calls and puts, you know? So when that non-farm payrolls number hit and the market rejected it, they did not like the increase in jobs. They didn't like that because that makes them feel like the Fed will continue raising interest rates, and therefore the market, shit the bed pretty much and dropped in excess of 2%. So one of the casualties is one of my trades. I lost 78%, somewhere over $300 on a 378 call. I think I had about 30 days on it, and I'm pretty much fine with that. That's pretty much right around where my stop loss is, and it was my worst trade for the week. And I'm okay with that. I accept it. Don't like it, but I accept it. And, in reflecting on that, one of the things I want you guys to know is you can't really get caught up in what your theory is. A lot of times we have a theory that the market is going to do this or do that, and we position ourselves that way. You really have to pay attention to what the market is actually doing as opposed to predicting what it would do. Sometimes when you do that, you will have casualties like I just did. Okay? And, to keep it hip-hop, we're going to shout out Run DMC, where Run DMC said, this was actually Run, who said, you're just going through life without a trace when the answers you seek are in front of your face. Okay, that's the last line for the first verse of your blind, and it leads to the point that you need to pay attention to what's happening, price action, as opposed to putting so much stock in whatever your theory is. This is your brother in trading and investing, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.